Hi guys, welcome to the Numpy Essentials practice exercises. It's time to test your knowledge. So in these exercises, simple tasks are given just to see how much you have learned. Like what is the major difference between vector and matrix, how to import Numpy library, and something like converting Python list to Numpy array and generate array and something like array of 5 zeros. So you are going to use the knowledge what you have learned in last three sections. I recommend go through all these tasks and try to get the output which is given. Only type the code where it says please code here. If you code in this cell right above the output, you will lose your output, and the new output what you will be generating will be replaced by this output. So moving forward, here it is asking for please generate the following matrix. Sometimes the output is given and you are asked to recreate or regenerate that output. So moving forward, some random number exercises and generating matrix 2D array, and then a couple of tasks here where kind of taking a slice of matrix, taking row, column, and a piece and a part of matrix in the output. And then moving forward, it's asking for row sum, row column. So calculate sum of all the rows and columns in any array, like in 2D array, and then creating a boolean mask and just apply that boolean mask to get this output. So these are simple tasks. I hope you would be able to solve all these tasks by yourself. However, if you feel any difficulty at the end, just go through the solution exercises. In the next lecture, we are going to solve or we are going to complete all these tasks. See you in the next lecture. Good luck.